Have you ever pondered the sheer necessity of preserving the past? The annals of history are filled with tales that echo with wisdom, lessons, and experiences that have sculpted the world as we know it. Yet, as we propel forward in the name of progress, how often do we pause to value the relics of our past? Enter reXpair, a beacon in the realm of preservation, a testament to the importance of our collective history. The reXpair journey commenced in the early spring of 2018. A group of passionate history enthusiasts and tech experts came together with a shared dream: to salvage and restore the tangible remnants of our past. They began small, their first project being the restoration of a dilapidated 18th century farmhouse. They brought it back to life, not just in structure but in spirit, imbuing it with the stories and memories it once housed. By the fall of 2018, reXpair had successfully restored 3 historical sites, each time refining their approach, each time learning more about the delicate art of preservation. The turning point came in the summer of 2019. reXpair took on the mammoth task of restoring a war-ravaged fortress from the 17th century. The world watched as they delicately pieced together fragments of history, rebuilding not just stone and mortar, but a testament to human resilience. When the fortress stood tall once again against the skyline, it was a victory not just for reXpair, but for history itself. The journey continued, and by winter of 2020, the reXpair team had grown, welcoming experts from various fields, each bringing a unique perspective to the delicate task of restoration. Their portfolio expanded as well, now including historical sites, artifacts, and even digital archives. In the spring of 2022, reXpair took a giant leap forward, incorporating advanced technology into their restoration process. They developed proprietary software that used artificial intelligence to analyze, predict, and guide the restoration process. This innovative step catapulted reXpair into the global spotlight, earning them recognition and accolades. And now, here we stand at the precipice of 2024, looking back at a journey that has spanned half a decade. reXpair has not merely restored historical sites and artifacts, they have breathed life into the past, ensuring it continues to exist, to teach, to inspire. The reXpair journey is a powerful reminder of the importance of preserving our past. It is a testament to the fact that progress and preservation are not mutually exclusive, but rather they can and should go hand in hand. As we step into the future, let us not forget the past, for it is the bedrock upon which we build our tomorrows. And so, as we reflect on the reXpair journey, let's remember, each stone restored, each artifact salvaged, each memory preserved is a step towards a future where our past continues to live, to resonate, to matter. That, dear listeners, is the true significance of the reXpair journey.